In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up duplicate records using Koalify in HubSpot. Duplicate records can clutter your database and create confusion, especially when managing a large volume of contacts. But don't worry, with Koalify, a powerful tool available within HubSpot, you can effectively identify and merge duplicates. Let's dive in and streamline your contact list. First things first, head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Login. If you're already familiar with the process, this should be quick. After clicking Login, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Simply select the appropriate Google account associated with your HubSpot profile. Moving along, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find the Marketplace option. Click on this to access a wide array of apps that integrate seamlessly with HubSpot. Once you're in the Marketplace, locate and click on Apps. This is where you can search for tools that enhance your HubSpot experience. Next, using the search bar in the Marketplace, type in Koalify. Hit Enter, and you should see Koalify Merge and Deduplicate among the results. Click on it to proceed. Koalify is specifically designed to help identify, merge, and manage duplicate records efficiently. Now go ahead and click on the Install App button. This will prompt you to connect Koalify to your HubSpot account. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once installation is complete, navigate back to the top of the page and click on Marketplace again. This will allow you to confirm that Koalify is now listed under your connected apps. Click on the Connected Apps link to see a list of all apps currently integrated with your HubSpot account. Make sure Koalify is visible here, indicating a successful connection. To start using Koalify, click on the Apps tab again and select Koalify, Merge and Deduplicate. Head over to the General Settings tab, where you'll find the option to customize your deduplication settings. Click on Edit Duplicate Rules to set the criteria that Koalify will use to detect duplicates. Once you're in, choose Create Rule to establish a new deduplication rule. Name your rule something descriptive so you'll remember what it does. Then click Add Filter to specify the conditions for which records should be considered duplicates. Take some time to think about which fields are most prone to duplications, often email addresses or phone numbers. Finally, after configuring your filters, click on Save Rule. This action captures your deduplication settings. With that, Koalify is now poised to keep your HubSpot contact lists clean and organized, saving you time and preventing data confusion in the long run. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your HubSpot experience is now even more optimized.